I'm in an age now, mid-40s, Celsius, where my generation's parents are leaving us with saddening regularity. My mother, truly my hero, passed away 2 years ago. It's interesting, my dad has left my mom's greeting on the answering machine. Yes, he still uses an answering machine. I admitted to my kids a bit ago that I often call my dad's place when I know he's not there just to hear my mom's voice. I thought there was a chance they would find that quite odd, but instead they surprised me by admitting they do it too, quite often. Clearly the sense of loss never fully leaves, and that's a good thing, I suppose. It does fortunately wane, balanced by joyous memories and perhaps even more importantly, by gratitude. In the first months post-loss though, the ones where the pain is most acute, there are tremendous emotional challenges. Many describe it, and I would agree, as trying to function well in a mental fog, trying to accept a new reality that, well, doesn't yet seem real. Precisely at this most difficult of times, often a particular family member is asked to take on a significant task, to act as the will's executor. It seems odd to me that often that burden, and trust me, it is a burden, is placed on a person as they also have to put so much effort into managing one of the most trying periods, one of the most overwhelming events of their lives. Right when that individual is dealing with his or her own grief and that of family members, they now have to take on the executor role. And make no mistake, being an executor is a huge responsibility. It frequently involves a tremendous amount of time and a tremendous amount of stress, a truly tremendous amount. I frequently push my friends, why not get help? Why not turn to the professionals? I mean, what an odd time to insist on being a DIYer. With all the aforementioned stress, with the potential for personal liability, with the chance, maybe good chance, there'll be at least some family conflict. Again, why not get help? Help from experienced professionals. Help from people who've seen it all before. Help from people who know the subtleties of the legal and tax filing requirements. Help from people who offer detached perspective. Help from people who work in this field all day, every day. Help from the experts. This isn't just about executing the will's instructions as well as is possible, but getting professional help is also about peace of mind and family harmony. That's the part that's way too frequently forgotten or underestimated. Peace of mind and family harmony. Professional help seems a wise investment indeed.